Hi, and today we are going to build the 3 cube numbers. The cube number blocks are 1, 8 and 27. Let's build them. So the first number block cube we're going to build is 1. 1 red block, 1 faceplate and 1 numbering. And here's number block 1. So now let's build 8. Number block 8 has 4 faceplates, 1 numbering, and 8 magenta blocks. 8 is also 2 by 2 by 2. 1 is 1 by 1 by 1. You make 8 like this. You've got the shape ready. You need to put on the faceplates now. Now we need to put on the numbering. Number block 27 has 1 faceplate in her cube shape. Block 27 is 20 peach blocks. 1 red block, 1 orange, 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 violet, and 1 indigo or purple. You can call it any of them you want to. Then we turn this one so the number block is more stable. Like this. Then we take 1 double connector block, place it and then place a blue block. Then we take a violet block and push it down. Make the place for the numbering red. Add orange, another peach block, then it's indigo and another peach block. We've done 18 out of 27. That's 2 layers. Now, let's build number block 27's last layer. So it's like this. I think so we just need to make something that looks quite like a hole or something. Yeah, it quite looks like a hole. I just need to place that. There. You put on a yellow faceplate and the numbering. And here are the cube number blocks 1, 8, and 27. Bye!